Best advice to make people like you. Number 1. Be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves. When you listen with full attention, you are communicating respect. Number 2. Make the other person feel important and do it sincerely. Show admiration toward accomplishments or traits of others. Always be courteous, never complain or criticize. Number 3. Become genuinely interested in other people. Find something they do that makes you curious to know more about. Be interested in the passion for it, and meet somewhere in the middle. And avoid comparing yourself to others. Number 5. Remember their names. People feel important when you remember their names. Repeat the name of the person you just met. Incorporate the person's face into your imagery to easily remember names. Number 6. Smile. Research shows that smiling makes a person feel good. When you smile at someone, they feel rewarded, and vice versa. Additionally, smiling is contagious. It is the most simple way to spread happiness. Always remember to like yourself first, before others may like you. How you treat yourself reflects to others. And it all starts with you. Please hit the subscribe button to get a daily dose of useful inspirational tips.